ক্লাস 9-এ ইংলিশ অল অ্যাবাউট এ ডগ। তোমরা সবাই মন দিয়ে শোনো, লেখো, সবাই কিন্তু লাইক অ্যান্ড সাবস্ক্রাইবটা কিন্তু দিয়ে যাও। Pick the correct answer from the given alternatives. The younger woman carried a little Pekingese dog. The younger woman was suffering from cough. The bell was pulled by the conductor. The number of policemen to whom the woman expressed her anger was 4. Anger was 3. The problem the bus faced was with the engine. The number of policemen to whom the woman expressed her anger was 3. The problem the bus faced was with the engine. Answer the following questions within 15 words. How many people got into the bus with the younger woman? A man and another woman got into the bus along with the younger woman. What is the conductor's order to the younger woman? The conductor ordered the younger woman to take the dog out. The conductor ordered the younger woman to take the dog out. Why did the conductor stand triumphant when the younger woman went upstairs on the roof of the bus? The conductor stood triumphant. What is that rule which cannot be broken without danger to life and limb? Rules such as the rules of the road cannot be broken without danger to life and limb. Answer the following questions within 25 words. When did the author feel that table was coming up? When did the author feel that table was coming up? When the conductor's eyes fell upon the beady-eyed Pekingese dog the younger woman was carrying, the author felt that table was coming up. Mentions two demands made by the passengers when the bus stopped. The passengers demanded to call the police and report against the conductor and also to return their fares if the bus does not go any further. How are rules of guidance to be observed? Rules of guidance are meant to be observed in the speed and not in the letter, the law for the comfort of the passengers. তাহলে এখানে শেষ করছি। তোমরা সবাই কিন্তু দয়া করে লাইক অ্যান্ড সাবস্ক্রাইবটা কিন্তু দিয়ে দিও।